The main thing I have a takeaway from my MBA is being able to look at things critically and then kind of adapt quickly rather than what I've actually learnt in the subjects. So, I mean, but everything I see at the local guys, yeah, absolutely, I can see why things are done. So, you've like, oh, you've got your marketing team looking at Google AdWords in the right areas and those sorts of things. And then or I see your specific goal is brand recognition across Australia. So the more cars on the road, the better for everyone. And I think I've heard you use the
Yeah,
analogy before that all boats rise and all. Can you finish the quote for me?
yeah. What is that? A rising tide lifts all boats.
Yeah, you got me there. So,
Yeah,
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 and then the business elements, it really helped with just hitting the ground running.